Just gotcha. I don't care.
And then we'll call you Piss Pants. Ready? 360. I'll try one.
It's like you say you won't fall off, like you will or something.
I won't fall off. I never fall off. Wait, come with me. Come with me.
Sun, pick up now.
Yeah, it is. Ready? Should I do this? Jump off?
Oh boy, man.
Where do I jump off?
Man, I love the sound of the...
Ready?
Go. Wait,
Right down there this time?
yeah.
Okay, I'll jump up there and right down there.
Yeah, we need it, Rain.
Yeah, I know.
Did you know I'm actually putting lots of songs on my own playlist?
Yeah.
About 5. I got 5 playlists.
Ready? Woo!
Wait. Yeah, I got you. Watch out, there's a hole there. Yep, I got you.
This looks like thunder tonight. Look at the sky.
Yeah, you got that.
It's like completely brown now.
You mean a completely black sky, you mean?
Yeah, grey. Hey, the rain's starting to spread again. Want me to skate over here and do... What kind of stuff have you done? It still manages to be dirty. It's a plate. Should I do this one?
Yeah, sure, go ahead, knock yourself out. I can't feel any weight on my pants. Are you okay? Man down, man down! Man down! Yup, I got it. Man down. Look at it. Looks like it's gonna hail.
Okay, now I'm gonna do this one since it's...
I did the same thing what Mum said to you. Man down, man down.
That's what that says. Okay, yeah! Right!
You gotta play skates.
Right.
Why are you recording it?
It's Elijah.
Recording what?
It's just Elijah doing it on the blade.